So our products can help productivity and reduce errors on the shop floor. So take our pros, for example. We can check that parts are dimensionally correct, and we can adjust tool wear to make sure that part is on nominal size throughout the process. We can also do this with our tool setters and lasers. We can check that tools aren't broken. We can check that the tools are the correct size and there's not too much wear. And we can also bring those back onto nominal. So your process is fully checked. So every part out of that machine is going to be a good part. The next 5 to 10 years for the industry, it's obviously very hard to predict. Things are moving very fast, especially in the AI sector. But we think we'll see that come through into manufacturing. We'll see AI analytics of the data that's coming through the machine shop. Automated measurements and metrology will also be a big thing. And Blum-Novotest are really aligning ourselves to be part of that change.